In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Slack. This is a powerful combination that can automate your workflows in no time. So let's get started. First, head over to the Zapier homepage by entering the URL into your browser. If you're not already logged in, you may need to sign into your account. Once you're at the dashboard, locate the Create button. You'll see it prominently displayed, inviting you to create a new Zap. Go ahead and click on it. Creating a Zap is essentially establishing an automated workflow between two or more apps, with one app triggering specific actions in another. Next, you'll want to click on Zaps, which will take you in the direction where all the magic happens. Now here's where you'll set up the trigger, meaning what kickstarts this automated flow. You'll need to select Trigger, and from the options provided, choose Email as your trigger app. This means that an incoming email will be the cue for this Zap to get going. Now you're being asked to choose an event. Opt for new inbound email. Essentially, whenever a new email lands in your inbox, this will initiate the action that we are about to set up. For thoroughness, it's good to test this trigger just to make sure everything is connecting properly. With the trigger set, it's time to specify the action, which is ultimately what you want to achieve in Slack as a result of that email. So click on Action. From the list of app options, find and select Slack. This choice will guide us to integrate Slack into our workflow. Again, just like we did with the trigger, you'll need to choose an event. Here we want to select Add Reminder. This means that each time a trigger email is received, a reminder will be automatically generated in Slack for you or your team. Now, an account sign-in may be required to grant Zapier access to your Slack workspace, so ensure you authorize the necessary permissions. Make sure to test this part too. It's crucial to confirm that the action is effectively communicating with your Slack and that the reminder is being properly scheduled. Finally, once you're satisfied that everything is correctly set up and that your test was successful, the last step is to click on Publish. This will set your new Zap live, allowing it to work in the background and save you time and effort by automating your tasks seamlessly. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Zapier with Slack in just a few minutes. Thanks to this integration, your workflows are now more efficient, leaving you with more time to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in and happy automating.